Motorola lovers are going to see One Power soon. So, are you going to buy this mobile? Do comment below and let me know what you think. Motorola One Power with 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display is launching in October. There are 3 main reasons that you should buy this phone. 1. Superb pair of cameras. Motorola One Power comes with a dual primary camera setup having one 6MP and 5MP lenses. It has an 8MP front camera, which provides great selfies. The main camera allows 4K video recording and playback capabilities. 2. High on performance. Speaking of performance, it is driven by 2 Kryo 260 quad-core processors. Powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset. The device packs in a 4GB RAM for multitasking. It also has 64GB plus 256GB expandable storage. 3. Decent battery capacity. The handset is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. With the option of the turbocharging feature, the level of battery backup is restored to a certain extent. In India, its expected price is 15,999 rupees. But in Pakistan, it will be around 30,000 PKR. Do you like this video? Then please share and subscribe to daily tutorials.